Sawadika, welcome back.
So Tiger Park in Pattaya, Thailand is an attraction that allows its paying guests to purchase the opportunity to pet tigers of all sizes. When you enter, you need to purchase the ticket that you want. There's also a souvenir shop where you can purchase little tiger stuffies. You can purchase things like keychains, all tiger themed, of course. And they have different sizes of stuffies. They have medium, big, and they even have a humongous one for sale. And it's wearing a party hat. How cute. A little cafeteria area. You can purchase food and beverage. People are taking pictures here with the big tigers. We're taking pictures with the smaller tigers. Okay, let's see. Don'ts. Do's and don'ts. Aw, their head is the cutest part.
For yourself, no flash. No flash recording, no video call.
No flash, yes. So we stay in the middle here or from the back?
Hello guys, I'm so excited to pet those little baby tigers.
Hello guys, we are here at the Pattaya Tiger Park and we are about to get in now.
We are about to go in and see some small tigers. You can choose between big, medium, or small. We're seeing the smaller ones, there was less of a wait. And the smaller ones are so cute as well, so we're going to go see them and give them some attention.
I cannot wait to pet the small cute tigers.
Me neither, let's go. Hi.
He's rolling on the floor.
I know. He's playful.
So wake up.
There's the big ones. Oh my gosh, no way. We can go?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I thought we were petting the baby ones. Oh my gosh. What a gorgeous animal. I'm a little freaked out. It's a good thing he's sleeping, I guess.
Yeah, he's sleeping, I think.
Oh, hi. Sweetie.
You afraid, babe?
A little. Their paws are huge. Wow. Gorgeous. Hi. Aww. Thank you. Oh wow. Aww. You want to turn?
Yeah.
It's cute, eh? Nice one. He's fast asleep. He's fast asleep.
He's fast asleep.
This one is awake.
That one?
Yeah, this one is very sleepy. Aww.
Actually, too many people would be scared about this, but don't worry, because here they train them, they take care of them to be friendly with the people.
Yeah.
I'm not scared like 1% at all.
Nice. Wow, beautiful creature. What do they eat? Meat? A lot of meat?
Chicken.
Chicken. Oh, hold it?
Yeah, pull the tail.
Oh, it is heavy. Oh, so cute.
Shanta with a tiger.
Whoa.
Don't be afraid.
Okay, it's okay. Oh, he likes hearts? You want to try?
Yeah.
Hi. Oh, wow. Gorgeous.
To the camera.
Yeah. Huge paws, wow. They don't want to be bugged, I'm sure. Just it.
The eye of the tiger.
Eyes. Hi.
It's wonderful, really. Hello, guys.
Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Bye-bye.
She's sleepy or what?
Yeah. She's like, leave us alone. Bye-bye.
Okay,
Thank you so much. Hi. 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 Hi.
He's angry.
Yeah. Look at this one, baby.
5 months.
Yeah.
Aw. What a sweetie. Yes, you are. So we have some photos that they took and framed for us. It's beautiful.
Hi, babe.
Hi, babe. So we're waiting to get a souvenir. It's 300 baht per picture. They frame it for you. All right, guys. So we're going to end the video here. And until the next one, thanks for watching.
See you in the next one. Goodbye, guys.
Fupa, fat upper pubic area. Chubby. It's chubby. Do you have a chubby kitty? Mine's like lopsided.